Hi students, today's MCQ. If y is equal to a to the power x raised to a to the power x raised to a to the power x and so on. This goes on up to infinite times. Then we have to find what is x into 1 minus y log x into log y into dy by dx equal to. This is what we have to find. So these are the options. Now look at the function. If y is equal to a to the power x and that is raised to a to the power x raised to a to the power x infinite times, right? So if I don't consider one a to the power x and consider all other terms, that is a to the power x is raised to a to the power x, excluding this term, if I am considering the terms in yellow color, if I consider this, what is the form or how does it look? It looks same as y, right? Out of infinite such terms, I am excluding only one such term out of infinite terms. Definitely it doesn't make much difference to the value of y, right? That is why we considered this whole term and wrote this as y, excluding this a to the power x. That is one such a to the power x we have excluded. Then how will the form take? Y is equal to a to the power x to the power y. This is the form. Now we have reduced it to a simple form. Otherwise, it is not possible for us to differentiate the function like this. Correct? Yes. Now we'll take log to both sides. What will happen to our LHS? It is log y. And that is equal to log of a to the power x raised to the power y. Now we will write this as log y is equal to x to the power y into log a. How did we write this? We have used the property of logarithms, that is log of a to the power b is equal to b log a. This property we have used. This would be log y is equal to x to the power y into log a. We'll again take log to this function because we have x to the power y. Variable is raised to the power another variable. So we'll take log again. So that would be log of log y in the LHS. RHS would be log of x to the power y into log a. Now again we will use the property of logarithms. So our LHS would be log of log a as it is, and RHS would be, what is the property that we have used? Log AB is equal to log A plus log B or log B plus log A, both are same. So product of two terms here, when we take logarithms it becomes log A plus log B, sum of two terms. So that is the property that we have used. So this term would be log of x to the power of y plus log of log A. Again for this log of x to the power y, we will use this property and write it as y log x. And this term as it is, log of log a, as it is. We have retained. After this term, we will differentiate. Till then, we only simplified to bring it to the simplest form so that we can differentiate. Now, we have to differentiate using chain rule. So, this is a logarithmic function. Inside that, there is one more logarithmic function and then it is y. So first we have to differentiate this log y. So derivative of log y is 1 by x. So in place of x we have log y. So derivative of this term would be 1 by log y. And derivative of log y is 1 by y. And again y has to be differentiated as per chain rule. So derivative of y is dy by dx. Now for RHS that is equal to. Now this is product of two terms y log x. Correct? So we have to apply product rule. That is derivative of the first term, which is dy by dx and log x as it is, plus y as it is and derivative of log x is 1 by x. So it is y into 1 by x, which is y by x. Now we know that a is a constant. Definitely log a is a constant. Obviously log of log a will also be constant. So derivative of a constant is 0. So this term is 0. Now we will group the terms with dy by dx. That is, I will bring in this dy by dx into log x to the LHS. That would be like this. Now we'll take out dy by dx common from this term, which will give us dy by dx into 1 by y log y minus log x is equal to y by x. Now we'll take LCM and cross multiply. Understood? So when we take LCM, it is 1 minus y log y into log x, which is this term, and we will have y log y in the denominator, which will be moved to RHS, which already has 1 y, so it becomes y square log y. And we have x in the denominator, which we are moving it to the LHS. So this would be dy by dx into x into 1 minus y log x is equal to y square log y. So as per the question, this is the answer. So this whole term is equal to y square log y. If they ask dy by dx, just bring in this term to the denominator. As per the given options, the right answer is option A.